Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to add PayPal to Gumroad. So let's get started. So now here we are on Gumroad, and basically you just need to go here into the settings first and then payments, and then you'll be here wherein you would be able to add PayPal. So if it's your first time going here, then it would ask you something like this. So you need to provide your location and make sure that you have all of this available right here. These are the requirement items. So once you have ticked all of that, click on save. And then from here, we can now proceed. So you have your your payout schedule, and then you have your payout method. So in here, you can go for bank accounts right here, and you have PayPal here at the very bottom. So take note that you must set up credit card purchases above before enabling customers to pay with PayPal. So before you can do this, you would need to go for this one first. So yeah, once you have that, then it would be very easy for you to connect PayPal in here. All you have to do is click here on this button, connect with PayPal, and then just log in with your PayPal account, and that's it. All you have to do is just click on connect. And basically, you want to take note that all sales will incur fees based on how customers find your product. Like, for example, direct sales, that will be 10% plus 50 cents. But if it's undiscovered, then it will be on 30% flat. And when you're using PayPal, there might be some processing fees on PayPal's end. So that would add into your direct sales or into your discover right here. So you might want to also take that into consideration. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.